gang, 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 what it is. Mook in the V, back with another video. Man, let me tell y'all, gang. Let me tell y'all, man, I be going through it, man. That whole video from yesterday got basically erased because, like I was saying in the video, I was playing with the bit rate and the resolution and this and that. So I was playing with a bunch of different things, just, you know, playing with the quality of the videos just to make it better for y'all. And I ended up putting it at too high of a bit rate, and definitely, well, I didn't erase it, but my editor couldn't accept the file. It was too big or too something. So as y'all know, because y'all saying how fire the video was, I was sick, but I figured it out, man, because y'all got the video. So yeah, man, in that video, I was getting an oil change. They ended up saying that they couldn't do my oil change, so right now I'm headed over to jiffylube to grab this oil change, man, because I need it. I got a trip coming. What are you looking at, lady? I got a trip coming up, road trip, so I definitely got to make sure I got that oil change situated, make sure I got everything else situated as well. Yeah, man, can't think of nothing else too crazy that we doing today, man. I guess we just gonna see where the video takes us. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hey, hashtag we fight. What is that? Ooh, I thought my lens was cracked, y'all. I was about to have a BF. But yeah, man, hashtag beat the algorithm, man. We gotta get the channel into that algorithm the right way, man. We in there, but our videos just are not being pushed properly. So make sure you guys hit the like button, man. Drop a comment. Any type of interaction on the channel helps the channel push through the algorithm, man. So definitely help me out with that, man. People just be staring, man. You about to crash while you over here looking at me. People act like they ain't never seen a vlogger before, y'all. Well, I guess not over here. What else? Oh yeah, as y'all can see, you know I got some MV on, man. That's all we rocking is MV drip, man. Hold on. All down the sleeve too, man. All down the sleeve, man. So go ahead and hit me up on IG, man. Get your MV drip today, man. I got all different type of styles, different type of situations for you, man. Go ahead and get your dig on. You know what I'm saying? Mookie juices still on deck. Drop-offs, pickups, whatever. You know what I mean? We getting it done. Come and get your business cards made, man. This one-stop shop shawty over here, man. So go ahead and come shop with your boy Mook in the V, as y'all see right there, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Hit me on Instagram. We always moving around. We always making moves. We always producing something new. Good content is what we do over here, man. But I'm finna stop running my mouth. I'm finna jump in the Black Mamba. For those who don't know, Black Mamba. I'm gonna jump in there and then I'm gonna go get this oil change, man, and then move on to the next phase of my life. You know what I mean? Alright, family, I done got the oil change finally. I'm back on 100%, man. All good to go. And beard getting a little, you dig him, getting a little cavemanish right here. But got the oil change done, man. And this is why you have to watch who you let do your oil changes, man. Always check any work you get done on your car, man, because they finished my oil change. I just drove home, which is not far, but if you look at this, my bad, this is how I drove home right here. You see that? They done left my hood open, so, you know, just make sure, look at that. Make sure you check and just watch who you got doing your work, man, because these guys don't care, man. I gotta clean up under my hood, man. It's dirty up under there. But, so what I'm gonna do here to end the video off is, if you don't have an oil catch can, man, you should get one, invest in one. Keeps all the nasty gunk and stuff out of your motor here running back and forth in between these wires here. Usually it's just a wire coming straight from here to here. The oil catch can I added just to make that situation better. So the car is hot right now, so I'm not gonna touch it, but I'm gonna detach it from here, take this top off, and then it's just dirty oil in here, so I'm gonna just dump that out and put it back on and seal everything back up. But yeah, man, not too much going on in this video, man. Just trying to keep content coming to you guys. Make sure I keep the channel pubbing, man. Once again, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I have to keep on telling y'all that. We got to fight that algorithm, man. It's a full-on battle at this point. Yeah, man. So once the car cool down, I'm gonna jump back under the hood and we're gonna get that finished, and we probably gonna wrap the video after that, man. But stay tuned, man. You might learn something. I'll let y'all in a minute. Alright guys, I done mess around and let it get dark outside, man, but I got my big spotlight on here, as y'all see. I'm about to pop this my oil catch can off here. Hope you guys can see that. I'm about to pop the oil catch can off here and then dump it and then just throw it back on. So that'll be fairly quick. It's just one bolt here, and these things are different, so yours may not be the same, but I just gotta pop that one bolt off right here, and then I'll be able to release this and take the top off and so on. But alright, family, let me go ahead and get this off, man. Flip this out, and then actually, you guys don't even need to see it, man, to be honest. Unless you guys want to see inside of it, and y'all don't care to see inside of it, man. I'm about to flip this off, man. That's actually gonna be a wrap for the video, man. We just gonna wrap it right here, man. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. More dope content to come as usual. Jump in my comments, man. Let me know what y'all want to see next on the channel, man. I do got some big stuff coming up here. But you know, it's just a day-to-day thing. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, comment. I need all of that interaction. I don't think it's anything else. So, man, appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Out of here. Gang, 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 gang. Alright, guys, I knew I was gonna end up doing this, but I wasn't sure. Hopefully y'all don't hear this TV too loud in the background, but I decided to pop the top off and show you guys anyway what the oil catch can looks like when it's off. For those of you who may not have seen it before, I'm not just gonna assume everybody has seen this, so show you guys what we got going on here. So this is it off right here. This is the top right here. Y'all see that? Hope y'all can see that, man. I know this is super bright. Super bright. I can barely even see. Y'all see that? That's the top of it right there. That thing you see hanging down the bottom right there is the dipstick, which it can unscrew from the top right here, right there, and then that's the dipstick on the bottom right there. Still got some oil on it. I actually need to clean that up. Yeah, so you can see that. And then here's the bottom half of it right here, and this thing is full of oil. I don't know if you guys can see down in there or not. Yeah, that thing is full of oil, nasty black oil. So that just gets all the worst oil that's running through the system there, and just catches it there instead of, you know, putting it all through your engine there. So if you guys don't got an oil catch can yet, you need to get one. Simple as that. Simple as that. But alright, man, on the for real side of the game, man, this is gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, turn it to all, so you can catch all this fire content that we dropping, man. Holla at y'all the next video. Gang, 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 gang.